Hey, it's Ian, and today I have this really awesome and convenient padded traveler's bag. Now this is great for carrying around your iPads, your notebooks, pens, papers, all your odds and ends for when you're taking your stuff on the go. So let's just jump right into it. Now the main compartment is the perfect size to fit your electronics and even your iPad. What's best is that this internal pocket is padded to keep anything you store in there scratch-free and safe. Now the front zippered pocket is perfect for keeping all of those smaller items nice and secure, things that could easily get lost or fall out. This is perfect, so it keeps all of my daily essentials at the tips of my fingers, and you might have noticed that I personally like to keep my keys on a carabiner. These big red zippers make it easy to clip things like that onto them. And then lastly, there's the third non-zippered pocket. It keeps things easy access that I always use, like my iPod and my scripts for when I need to memorize lines. Anything you need quick access, this is the perfect pocket. Now this comes with an adjustable shoulder strap, but this is super high quality. It has durable nylon, so it's not gonna rip, and these belt buckles are fully metal. They're high quality and they won't bend, nor will they break. Now to attach the shoulder strap, you're gonna find these little loops right here, and all you're gonna do is slide them into place. It's super easy and super quick. Now this is the perfect size for carrying all of my daily essentials. It's not too big where things are gonna get lost, and it's not too small so it can still carry everything I need. Now this is a closeout. We snagged this at an awesome deal, but we don't have too many available. So if you want yours, get yours now before they're all sold out.